welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to look at how you can utilize an inbuilt project planner in Microsoft Excel and make your work easier. So I know most of the people, we don't know that we have variety of files that are inbuilt in Microsoft Excel, which we can utilize and make our work easier. So how do you do it? You open the new workbook of Microsoft Excel, and then you go to File, then you click New. So I want to have, so you have a variety, you can search if you want business, personal, planners, and trackers. So when you click that, you're going to get only those trackers, and then you can go, so you can select which one do you want. So for the planners, because I just want the planners, but if you want other things like business, personal, things, budget, charts, and calendars, you can utilize. But I want a project planner. So you click like that, and then you select the one. So we have this one: loan amortization schedule, online sales tracker. You have also sales invoice. You have job candidates. You have a lot of things that it can help you depending on the business that you are running. So for me, I want for this the Gantt project planner. And then I can change the highlight. I can change things, like for example, I will leave the activity numbering, and then you come here, and then there's it's use periods for intervals. Start one is period 1 and duration is equal to 5. So, and then I can come and change. So I can change to be duration actual 3. So when you change 3, you see it comes to 3. Then I can say it's done 15%. The same case with this one, I can leave the duration to be that, and then I say it's done 90%. Then this one I can say it's 55%. You see how it's changing. When you have 10%, you can have 100%. You can have also like 85, like something like 90%. So when you do that, this is going to change. So I can also change these ones to be 3. Then I see what happens. I can change this one to be 4. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is how you can utilize those inbuilt files and make your work easier. Like for example, the Gantt chart project planner is very useful because it is going to help you to monitor how the milestones of the activity are running in the project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you have not for more insight and ideas, and then share for others also to learn.